Aireon Labs was founded in 2007 in Waterloo, Ontario by a group of University of Waterloo engineers. We were really founded to bring unmanned aerial vehicle systems to the commercial markets. We've been able to take a technology that had only previously been applicable to the lab bench or hobbyists as well as to the military world, and brought that to an easy-to-use platform that can bring drones to the backpack of the soldier, the trunk of the police car, or the pickup truck of the power linesman. For Aireon Labs, growth is on a worldwide scale. Private businesses have a unique advantage over public businesses in the Canadian economy. Private industry can work to really focus and do the R&D right without being driven by external deadlines such as quarterly reporting. I think we've had a series of proudest moments. We've helped police find lost children. Our system was purchased by BP during the Gulf oil spill. We helped the US Coast Guard bring a tanker into Nome, Alaska. Some of these were things that we designed the product to do, and some of them are uses we never had even imagined. If there was one piece of advice that I'd provide to another business owner, it would be to be persistent. I think that's probably the one characteristic that's helped us get through all of our times of adversity. We were set to close an investment round at the end of 2008 when the markets crashed. We started the year of 2009, I think, with $50,000 in the bank, and had to push through some very difficult times that way. But as we've grown, we've learned that what got you to where you are today isn't necessarily the right thing to take you to the next step. So we've seen the company evolve from an organization really based around experimentation and R&D, and to turn that into a product that could be marketed to the whole world in a much larger scale has driven some pretty big change within our organization. You don't often take a look at all of the progress you've made and all of the growth that's come to the company. We started in a living room quite literally, and we've now expanded to a 41,000 square foot facility, and it's an honor to be nominated and to be recognized for the achievements we've made.